Hey folks, welcome to Delaney Auto. My name's Sterling Grissom. We have a fresh trade-in just for you guys. This is an incredible 2016 certified Chevy Malibu. The certification means it comes with loads of warranty. The wraparound headlights and taillights, alloy wheels, breakaway mirrors with turn signal indicators already on the sides. This is a super sharp Chevy Malibu. Just check out that nice gleaming color. But let me go over some of those inside features. Coming to the back of the Chevy here, you're going to see we actually have a lot of space on this sedan. Perfect for all your boxes and bags. And then down below here, we also have the spare tire with the tools to change it if you need them. In the second row of this vehicle, we have the super comfortable 40/60 split cloth interior seating. Not only does it look nice, but it's very, very comfortable. You also have an aux cord and some USBs down below. And then in the front, we have powered seating for the driver's side. You do have your LED display for your AM/FM radio, your backup camera, and so many other great technological features. And there's so much space in this vehicle. But you guys gotta come check it out in person. All right, folks, this is a super cool sedan. You gotta come check it out in person. Again, my name's Sterling Grissom. I'm at the Delaney Honda building across from the Walmart Supercenter in Indiana, PA. And if you folks wanna ride somewhere in comfort, style, and safety, then not only am I your salesman, and we're your dealership, but this is your car.